Admonition 20. O thou, asker of food, sit, for thou wilt eat. And O thou ask by death, run not, thou wilt not save thy life. And sometimes our reaction to things is what ends up hurting us. It's like nightmares. Sometimes the only reason why it was a nightmare is because you fought it. Whether thou strivest for maintenance or not, God the Most High and Glorious will send it to thee. And if thou rushest into the jaw of a lion or a tiger, they will not devour thee unless on the day decreed. But the day decreed, if you put yourself in a situation, well, was it not predestined that I would do this? Yes, but it was predestined that the reaction would happen.